Okay friends, so in this video I'm going to show you a simplest pocket option strategy that can help you to make lots of profitable trades in your upcoming days. So watch this video very carefully. And if you want some free signal, then you can join my free Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly, then you can see the instructions to copy my trade directly in that free Telegram channel. So now without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing, you need to make all of these currency pair favorite that have over 80% payout. Okay, once you do that much, then select the candlestick as 15. That means each of these candles are forming in 15-second time frame, and then select the trading time frame also 15-second. Now the trading strategy is extremely simple, and I have made lots of money by using this simple and headache free strategy. Okay, this strategy doesn't give you any stress. Okay, because entry point is extremely clear whenever you just open the chart. Okay, so for example, I just opened the chart of AUD CAD, or let's forget about that. So let's open another chart of AUD CHF. So a green candle is forming. Now in next trade I will make trade on the same direction. Okay, I will not make trade on any opposite direction like red or lower or anything. Okay, I'll just make trade by clicking on higher whenever I see that a green candle was forming. Okay, whenever I open the chart, and next candle I'll directly make a trade by clicking on higher. Okay, so we are right in this trade. Okay, so now let's open another chart. Okay, so here you can see a red candle is forming. You can see the timing here. Okay, 11-second remaining. So let it be like 1 second. Okay, and then at that exact time make trade by clicking on lower whenever there is a candle. So 1 second remaining, make trade by clicking on lower. However, you can go wrong in few trades. Okay, but maximum of your trades are going to be right because you are following the trend. Okay, the current trend that is going on in the market in the real time. Okay, so here you can see we have made a profit. So let's open another chart. So here you can see a green candle is forming, 9-second time is remaining. Okay, so let's wait for some time, and whenever 1 second is remaining, at the same direction we'll make trade. Okay, so we made a trade by clicking on higher, and you can see the market opening was also at the top. Okay, but let's see what happens in this trade. Okay, so we made profit in this trade too. So now let's open another chart. So now what I will do is I will not talk, and I will show you by actually making trade in several of these currency pairs, and you can see how accurate this strategy can be. It is simple but extremely profitable. So now watch the remaining video very carefully.